Prime Minister likes to spread the illusion that he's protecting property rights, but the reality is quite the contrary. This Liberal government instructed its lawyers not to defend property rights in the Cowichan case with a litigation directive number 14 that said that, in fact, those titles did not take priority. Now, that dispute is going to appeal, and this Prime Minister has kept that litigation order in place. In other words, he is directing his lawyers not to defend the property rights of British Columbians. Why is it that he refuses to defend homeowners?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, private property rights are fundamental in this country. This government will always defend them. That is why we immediately appealed the Cowichan decision on September 8th, along with the City of Richmond, along with other First Nations, along with the province of British Columbia. All federal agreements with First Nations, with Indigenous peoples, with rights holders protect private property rights and protect Indigenous peoples' rights. And on Red Dress Day, I think we should spend some time on the rights of Indigenous peoples in this country.
The Prime Minister's answer on property rights is all an illusion. This Liberal government directed its lawyers not to defend property rights. In litigation directive number 14, it said that lawyers are not to make the case that fee simple property ownership takes precedence over all other claims. That directive is still on the government website, meaning that in all the litigation that is coming up on property ownership, this Prime Minister is directing his lawyers not to do their jobs and not to defend British Columbia homeowners. Why?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, the only illusion is that this makeover is going to work any better than other makeovers. This government will always defend private property rights. We immediately appealed the Cowichan decision. We have always defended private property rights. We always will, and we will always defend the rights of Indigenous peoples to build Canada that's stronger, fairer, and more independent.